Trying to ignore the fact that I'm just looking like an idiot talking to my camera right now. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something incredibly original, never been done before on youtube.com. We are going thrifting today. I know, crazy, right? Basically, all of my clothes are extremely outdated, falling apart, ugly, or don't fit me. As much as my little heart would just love to run rampant on a shopping spree, my bank account is the lowest it's ever been. So I figured, you know what, let's be smart about this. And today I'm going to be going thrifting, trying to find some good pieces. I've been extremely discouraged as far as the fashion department goes because I've just gotten lazy. Honestly, just wearing like leggings every day. And then when you're wearing leggings every day, it's kind of harder to notice how your clothes are fitting. And then suddenly you're ready to put on a pair of jeans and you find out that they don't fit. Just things I'm going through right now, but whatever. Would love to find some jeans that fit. That would be cool. A lot of my clothes are from, Forever 21, which is just trash quality. And also they've recently really gotten expensive and it's so not worth it. And yeah, I'm just trying to be smarter. So today we're gonna hit up a few thrift stores and see what we can find. Goals for today, if I just had my dreams happen, would be to find some good jeans. Really into like the whole menswear blazer look lately. Would love to find a good blazer. And then just other cute things. Hoping that me just like putting this out into the air that I've gained weight will encourage me more to lose the weight that I've gained, Let's get to thrifting. So this first top is a sparkly crop top and super cute, but I didn't really like the fit of it, and it was like a New Year's Eve top that I wouldn't wear frequently. This top I was super excited to try on. It's a chocolatey brown satin button up, but as you can tell, the buttons were popping open, so it didn't really fit. If it did fit, I definitely would have bought it. This top, the only thing that I didn't like about this one is it looked like a pajama top more than the other one where it was like you could tell it was clearly a blouse. This one just looked like a PJ top. So yeah, that's not the look I wanted, so I ended up not getting it. I grabbed these jeans because they were polo and I thought they would be cool on. Here's me showing that I have absolutely no ass. But I ended up not getting them because, I don't know, I just wasn't crazy about them and I didn't feel like spending money on them. Here's me trying on a men's blazer, which I said that I was on the hunt for. This one was just too big and looked stupid. I wasn't a fan of the shoulder pads and I didn't want to flip it and try and make it fit me. I was just not ready to commit to that yet. Honestly, Goodwill was garbage, and it's about 1,000,000 degrees. I'm sweating all my makeup off. I found this random thrift store called Thrift Shop, so we're gonna go in right now and give that a try. Let's go. Here's the only footage that I got of the third store that I went to called Thrift Shop. It was pretty small. I did find something that I wanted to try on, but I just never made it to the fitting room. So here we are at Buffalo Exchange. It was at this moment that I knew I was going to be scammed. So the first top I tried on was this long sleeve kind of chiffon material. It is kind of that brick red color. I thought it would be nice for fall, and the original tags were still on it. I was kind of on the fence about it, but I ended up buying it. This shirt I was super into and super excited. I found it in the men's section and I thought it would be kind of fun if I made it into a crop. I just like how it says feelings because I've been having a lot of those lately. Who can relate? Okay, when I saw this top, I got so excited. It just reminded me of my childhood, even though I was an avid Cartoon Network watcher too. These Nickelodeon shows were all I used to watch also, so I knew I needed to have it. I tried it on and then I saw that there was a tiny little stain on the front, so I did buy it and I'm hoping that I can work some magic and get the stain out. Here's me trying on an American Apparel circle skirt, but as you can see, it doesn't fit. Love when things don't fit. So here I am at Urban. I somehow found a pair of Levi 501s in the sale section. So they weren't even my size, but I decided to give them a try. For some reason, they ended up fitting. Might end up returning these though. Here is me trying on, it's like a black sweater knit type of top. I thought the detail in the front was cute, and yeah, it was only like $9. Here I am trying on a white floral dress. As you can see, it's a little bit tight where the gut is, so didn't end up getting her. This dress, I really liked the color of it. I thought it was pretty, but I just did not like how it looked on me. So that was quite the event. Sorry if you can hear the AC. It's 101 degrees outside, and as you can tell by my face, I'm melting off. So that didn't go as planned, needless to say. I found absolutely nothing at the thrift stores. I went to Buffalo Exchange, which is literally like overpriced thrift items, but they had, in my opinion, the best variety of things. So I got some things from there. This particular location that I'm at, it's in this remote area and it's a hipster haven. There's like little photo ops everywhere. It's really cute, but it's very intimidating. I tried to film it, but I just felt uncomfortable. Yeah, this little shopping center place is really cute. Would definitely come back in a different mindset. There's an Urban Outfitters here, and I would never go in there because it's so expensive as it is. But they were having 40% off of their sale. I got that little black sweater top that I tried on, and then there were these Levi's, a pair of 501s. They were like blackish gray. They're a little bit tight, but like we can make it work. They were $30 with the sale, so I was like, that's a really good price for Levi's from Urban. It's harder to find them at a thrift store, like to fit you. You know how it goes. So I bought them anyways. Honestly, probably gonna return them. I'm just kind of going through it as always. I'm just sad. Like, I am going through it mentally. I just feel so much. But that's not what this video is about. This is a fun shopping video. Yay! So I guess I'll show you everything that I got. That's everything that I got today. When I started this video, I was like, I want good pieces that will last me a long time, things that make sense, and I buy a Nickelodeon t-shirt. I went to 4 different thrift stores today. I went to Salvation Army, Goodwill, this random one called the Thrift Shop. Oh my gosh, in that random store, they had cute stuff, but the workers like weren't trying to help me. I was trying to try something on and they just didn't care, so I left. But while I was there, I saw this cute set. It was a houndstooth print blazer and a skirt. I would have had to try it on, which is what I was trying to do. As I was grabbing that, there was a blazer behind it, and I guess I just grabbed the set with such force that I popped a button off of the blazer behind it, and I got so scared because I was like, what if they make me buy this? So I just I'm such a bad person. I should have told them, but they weren't even trying to respond to me when I was asking for a fitting room, so I just left. Not a successful thrifting trip today, but there's always next time. Overall, I like the stuff I got. It's just I don't know what I was expecting. I definitely want to do this again, maybe in a different area and search for more things, because today just wasn't it. I also just wanted to say thank you so much for the response that I got on my last video, and I'm very thankful that we have each other. All of your comments and messages really meant a lot to me. It was so sweet. Thank you all so much. I'm gonna go home now and wash all of these. Comment down below if you liked what I got or if you thought everything that I got was garbage. Love you so much. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you like these types of videos. If you hated what I got, let me know. I want your feedback. I need help in every aspect of life. Love you, bye!